Hello, my name is Wilmer Ramirez. I am a certified personal trainer at NPTI, and today I will be going over on how to perform a four-side Skinfold test. We begin by introducing ourselves to our client by name and title, and we also let the client know what the reason why we will be performing the test. In order to perform the test, we also have to get permission and consent from the client to touch them. So this is my client. Good morning, Joy. My name is Wilmer Ramirez. I'm a certified personal trainer at NPTI. If you don't mind, please remove your shirt.
Okay.
Do you mind if I touch you
No.
to perform the test? The four-side Skinfold test is always performed on the right side of the client. By that being said, we are going to perform it on the right bicep, right tricep, right subscapular, and right side of the iliac crest. Okay. May we begin?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So please flex the elbow. We're going to measure the bicep at the highest point of the bicep, which that would be it right there. Relax your arm. We're going to slightly pull the skin away without pinching the client, and we're going to measure that same spot 3 times. 2, 3. Relax. Is that okay? Am I pinching you? No?
Mm-hmm.
Good. 16. Next, we will be performing the tricep. The tricep, in order for us to get an accurate measurement, would be from the shoulder to the elbow, that halfway mark, which that would be our point right there. We go hold it, come from a relaxed grip, not pinching the skin, just pulling the skin away from the body, and we get 3 measurements, and we get the average of those 3 measurements. 1, 2, 3. Am I pinching you? Relax. Are you okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right, now we'll be performing the subscapular. In order for us to perform the subscapular, we ask the client to place their right hand on the bottom part of their back, and we get the L right here of the scapula, and we come in at a 45-degree angle from the top part. Relax your arm, please, and we pull the skin away without pinching the client. We pull the skin away, and we grab 3 measurements. We get the average of those 3. We relax the skin, but we do not let go of the spot. Relax. Are you okay?
Mm-hmm.
And now, the last body part that we will be performing the test on would be the iliac crest. So we find the point of the middle of the belly button, to the hip, the top point of the hip. We go at a 45-degree angle to pull the skin away from the body. Relax. And 1, 2, 3. Now that we have our measurements, we add all 4 of them up. We direct ourselves to the body fat percentage calculator, which I've printed, which can also be found at nasm.org, right? We add all 4 of them. We get the sum of our folds. We also get our client's age. With our client's name is Joy. He's 24 years old. And we determine the total. His total is 78. 78. And his age is 24. We find he's a male. We find his number of folds, which falls under, he is 24 years old, and he is 23.87% body fat. That is how you perform the test and get the measurements, and that concludes the test.